A machine that makes trenching work easier, leaving a flawless finish. This little robot will make your job of cleaning air ducts much easier. This machine marks roads with exceptional precision. This machine is not only good for joining huge pipes, it's also fantastic for tying giant shoelaces. This machine is sophisticated for rolling up comforters and making their packaging much easier. How do they make the lines on the road so perfectly straight? A machine that cuts metal like it's butter. Rover Roller creates concrete patterns exactly like the ones you are seeing now. Proof that the Metal Press is not just a group of journalists who review Metallica albums. It's the item we all want in our kitchens. A cake-making machine. A metal planer that produces the longest metal shavings you're likely to see today. A 3D engraving machine. Pretty futuristic and pretty cool. A wire bending machine that makes your work easier. This tool is a must-have for anyone who does sewing, as it makes knitting a hat easy in minutes. It's incredible how this machine carves figures in wood. This machine automatically sorts fish from small to medium to large. Amazing! With this device, you can fillet a fish in seconds. An automated chain making machine. There is too much power in this machine. This machine produces steel wire 80 meters per minute. This meat is injected with a brine that adds juices and flavor to the final product. I stayed in the yard of the automatic package sorting conveyor belt. This strange contraption is known as a blow molding machine. The clay press and its name are a perfect description of what it does. This machine is too powerful. It cuts through metal like butter. Another blow-blowing machine, but this time it's a canoe. How metal classification is created in the factory. This is a manipulative forging because you really don't want to touch these things with your hands. Tiny empanada production line. This device will help you lift up to 24 eggs at once. At the end of this process, you get a delicious flaky bread. What we can't do without in our kitchen is a pressure cooker. This machine manufactures 50 plastic cups per minute. A must-have for birthday parties, for teenagers who have just discovered beer. The guys work really hard to make these car mats. And all you have to do is put your feet on it. A machine that peels an apple for you is incredible. A machine that cuts the packaging to extract the copper so it can be reused. This machine will help you straighten crooked iron. A machine that easily cuts meat into steaks. a machine that softens the soil so you can plant your crop. These machines are on another level. See you in the next video.